Have you ever thought about turning your garden into a wildlife habitat? Picture it, a sanctuary for all kinds of creatures, big and small, right in your own backyard. It's not only possible but also profoundly important for our ecosystem. Creating a wildlife habitat in your garden is easier than you think, and we're here to guide you through it. Follow these steps to transform your garden into a vibrant wildlife habitat. The first step to creating a wildlife haven: choose native plants. These plants have evolved with local wildlife and provide the best food and shelter. They're also typically more resilient to local weather conditions. Next, diversify your habitat with a variety of plant heights. This will attract a wider range of wildlife. Tall trees can provide shelter for birds, while shrubs and ground cover plants can offer refuge for smaller creatures like insects and amphibians. The third step is to provide clean water sources. A simple bird bath or a small pond can work wonders. Not only will it attract birds, but also serve as a watering hole for other wildlife. Lastly, maintain your habitat naturally. Avoid using harmful chemicals like pesticides or herbicides. Instead, opt for organic and natural pest control methods. This ensures that your garden remains a safe haven for all its inhabitants. Remember, creating a wildlife habitat is not just about attracting wildlife, it's also about maintaining a balanced ecosystem. Each creature plays a significant role in this balance. With these steps, you can create a safe haven for local wildlife and contribute to biodiversity. By creating a wildlife habitat, you're not just beautifying your garden, but also helping the environment. Remember, it's about choosing native plants, providing water and shelter, and practicing sustainable gardening. The rewards are immense. You foster biodiversity, offer a sanctuary to local wildlife, and get to enjoy a vibrant, lively garden. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.